Hi, in the name of God, in this lesson we will learn the properties of addition. Addition in the set of real numbers has the following properties. Number 1, commutative properties. Number 1, commutative property. The commutative property of addition means that changing the order of numbers does not change the sum. A plus B equal to B plus A. For example, 5 plus 2 equal to 7 and 2 plus 5 equal to 7. We change place the order number and doesn't change the result. Number 2, associative property. Associative property. The associative property of additions means that when we add three or more numbers, changing the we group them does not change the sum. A plus B then plus C equal to B plus C then plus A. For example, 2 plus 3 then plus 4 equal to 9, and 3 plus 4 then plus 2 equal to 9. Number 3, identity element. Number 3, identity element. The identity element of addition is 0. Adding 0 to any number does not change the numbers. A plus 0 equal to A. Four plus 0 equal to 4. Number 4, closure property. Number 4, closure property of addition. The set of real number is closed under addition. This means that adding any two real number always giving another real number. For example, 3 is a real number plus 4 is a real number equal to 7 is a real number. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell